What a crazy week, right?
I know. I had a chemistry midterm this week that did not go well. What about you?
I was in the chemistry lab, and then out of nowhere, a beaker just explodes. Don't even understand why.
Seems like times like these that call for a stiff drink.
Yeah, let's just have a couple shots of whiskey and maybe just sip on a glass of whiskey and forget about this week.
Agreed.
Alright. Let's see what we got. Some nice Lot 40 whiskey. Do you take ice in it?
Sometimes, yes. Since we have ice on hand, I'll certainly take some ice.
Alright. That's weird. You ever notice that ice for some reason sinks in whiskey but floats on top of water?
Is it black magic?
It might as well be.
So what these students don't understand is that water and whiskey have different densities.
H2O is actually a very unusual substance in that the solid form is less dense than the liquid form. So when you take the solid form of water and put it into other substances, it tends to sink, which is unusual compared to ice and water. So the reason for this is that solid water has a hexagonal structure only present when it is in solid form, as where the liquid has a less defined structure, causing there to be less space between the molecules compared to when it is solid.
So another way this phenomenon can be explained is through the whiskey and water bar trick.
This trick is performed by taking a shot of water and a shot of whiskey, and by using a impermeable card, stacking them on top of each other so that the water is on top of the whiskey, and then leaving a small space in order for the liquids to exchange places, so that eventually the whiskey will be on the top and the water will be on the bottom.